Hey there. Let me ask you something. Are you struggling to make your email marketing work? You're not alone. A lot of people find themselves spending hours on email campaigns that just don't bring in the results they were hoping for. But what if I told you there's a simpler way to make your emails more effective without the headache? That's where 7-Day Email comes in. It's a super easy-to-use tool that takes the guesswork out of email marketing. Whether you're trying to grow your business or boost engagement, it's designed to help you create campaigns that actually get results. And the best part? We are giving you a free 7-day email course that walks you step by step through how to turn your email marketing into a powerful tool for driving traffic and increasing sales. No more wasted time, no more confusion, just simple, actionable strategies that will make a difference right away. If you're serious about your email marketing, click the link below and get started today.